Okay, well, as you all know, I got permission to film the third unit, and it's right over here. It does the office. Over there are the other two. Is this one running? No, this one's functional, but it's not on. It's a good old carrier with some minor coil damage. It's got a really big compressor, and you can see the reversing valve. It's been running because the lines are all sweaty. It is a carrier. Yep, Carrier Corp, Indianapolis, Indiana. Its serial is 4993E08070, model 38YCA 024340. Factory charged R22, 5.69 pounds or 2.58 kilograms. And the air handler goes up into there, which I didn't see the air handler for it, but if I saw the air handler, I would know what it is because I could identify it. And high voltage transformer, I'm stepping away from that. Anyways, let me try to get back through here.